All right, everybody's favorite time, doing another bike walk around with my buddy Evan. We're here in Ocean City at the OC Rock and Ride. We're at the swap meet where Saturday I'll have my show, which there'll be footage of that coming up anyway. Today we're gonna do Evan's FXRS 92.
Yes, sir.
92. Started as a 92. Lots of goodies on this thing. It's clean, how we like them. It's got that OEM plus kind of vibe. Let's see, where do we start? So I remember when you got this, the engine was, you got out of a Titan.
Yes, because the stock Evo was something, and I started messing with it, and then the Titan came up, and I knew it didn't have any miles on it. It's the 97 cubic inch S&S. Got it for a deal, and so plucked it out of that frame and just pretty much had this thing for an hour and ripped it completely apart. And you know, from there started putting it back together and picking and choosing what we could, what we could do to make it fast and fun.
Nice. Got Mikuni HSR, obviously. Mikuni HSR with the S&S cover. That's interesting.
A little bit of finessing to make that
a
work.
little finesse.
Yeah, a little finesse on there. Thrashin, anti-reversion. Exhaust on there.
Okay, so you got Thrashin 2-in-1.
Yep.
You got Thrashin
bars
and risers. You're thrashined out. I get it. Okay.
Out.
Up here we got GPR.
Yes.
On the top tree. I know you did quad lock with the vibration and the charging whole deal there.
You can use the M Units app to do your any of your GPSing and all your parameters, speed and whatever, just because it's so tech.
Yeah, so it's all wired up over through the M unit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you got RCS Brembos here, which, man, there's nothing better than that, dude.
Very smooth.
Yep. Brembos to dual disc PMs, Galfer rotors on stock 9s. You got fork brace. Rod did the paint. The same guy that painted my new FX DXi painted this, who's actually over there somewhere. Yep. He painted that.
Yeah, we kept the original logos and just kind of updated the paint from sort of that flat, boring red that was tired, kind of brought it up to speed with a cool candy apple red. And then Rod picked out the colors that kind of matched in with the original logo for the pinstriping to kind of, tie it together and make it nice. And he did his thing, and it looks great. Yeah,
factory style pin. Nest side covers, obviously. Chrome outer. You got the Jag oil cooler down here, and another cool piece, which a lot of people don't know. This oil filter adapter down here. For guys, this is Pat Kennedy right here, and if you know who that is, good on you. If you don't, do some research. So that's a modified Pat Kennedy oil filter mount. Back here, we got Metmachek's. Finally, people know Metmachek swing arm, one of my favorites.
I had to make this to fit the bracket because it was for a regular, for a regular swing arm that's only 1.5 inches. So I had to machine for 4 days.
Did the same thing.
Make that dumb thing.
Got progressive 490s, and actually these are Metmachek's billet fender struts.
Yes.
For those that don't know, Big Owls seat with gripper. Typical lay down taillight. Oh, duh! You got the 9s with my 9-spoke pulley on here. Loving that. Just
got the Accutronics in here.
Oh yeah,
that's kind of cool.
Boom, got the fuel gauge. I don't even know if it's going to show on here. It's too bright, but yeah, got the bitchin' digital fuel gauge, Accutronics. Fire it up. See how this thing sounds. I mean, we already know it sounds good, but there you go. Standard issue Daymaker bikini fairing. Sometimes I think it's cool with these bikini fairings. Not a lot of people run them, but it's minimal. I like it. Oh, I was gonna give it a little gas, but it's okay. Yeah, this thing looks great. And it's actually for sale, right?
Yep.
Yeah, sure.
Look me up on Instagram, Evan Griffith 16. You can get me out of Oliver's Friends pretty
Yep.
easy.
Yep.
Send me a DM if you want. If you're interested, let me know. Thing rips.
It rips. Yeah, 97 cubic inch. It's long stroke.
I have the 4-man's 6-speed too to go in it. I just haven't done it yet. I have the updated gearing set up.
Oh, you did a
the
bandit
primary-
clutch too, right?
For the primary, yep. And so, but I haven't put it in yet.
Oh, okay.
So I have that stuff. I just haven't done it.
Got it. Comes with it, obviously.
Yep.
Sick. Well, there it is. Evan.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. All right. See ya.
Peace.